Here is our meat bandsaw that we have at CM Machine Services. I'm going to give you a little walk around of what it looks like and what you can expect for terms of quality. It is a full stainless steel machine, and here it is. So I'm going to give you, it's all opened up. You can see certain parts. Over here is a table, sliding table. So this is the sliding table over here. I'm just gonna show you. There's a spring. There we go. And it has a spring which retracts back and forward. Again, all good quality product. You can see under the hood there, there's the for easy cleaning. Over here as well, the table lifts up for cleaning. User can just adjust like that, and when at the end of the day, they just raise it and wash it down. You have the items over here that are of highest quality, brass, and the filler block there are food grade plastic, and full stainless steel wheel, and it has the bin which you can remove and put back on for cleaning. Very hygienic. And then you have the scrapers, the wheel scrapers as well at the bottom over there. Again, this is for durability, last longer, and it does have a safety on the door over here when you open it up. Double safety. Up here you can see that there as well. So one there and one here. You can lower down the table now. Okay. And it has a lock here. You can also adjust. Again, you have full stainless steel, high quality, balanced wheel. Also, when the machine is working, there is LED lights, which is right there for the user to see. You can adjust for your product. You can close it up. It has emergency button. It has a side support, so that you can maintain your product length. There's your guide for safety. You can also, in case you don't want to use this part, you can remove it. And you can cut like that, safety without your hands. Okay, and as well you can raise this part here, which I'll show you. Yeah, you can adjust according to your product height for safety. And we have here the belt tensioner as well, which you don't find in a lot of meat sauce. Anyway, this machine is high quality. The parts and spare parts that's on the machine is very durable and high quality grade. These are the scrapers here, which last long. Okay, this is what it looks like. Also over here on the side of the machine, you can use this part here to hang your items when not in use. There's the feet there, high quality stainless steel. Machine is great for wash down. And you can get this machine from CM Machine Services, all full stainless steel, highest quality. We sell these machines with the option for sliding table or stationary. So excellent for the meat industry, butchery, and pork industry.